All right. Isn't she a beauty? Well, this is a pork loin center roast cut. I season it with the salt lick rub. I love that rub, so I season it. I'm gonna take it about to 140, then pull it off. I have the Thermo Pro wireless probe in it to, give me the information I need to make sure that I hit that number. I'm gonna get the temp up to 250. So we're gonna cook it at 250. Y'all know that's my favorite number right there when it comes to cooking on the Bronco. But yeah, this shouldn't be a long cook at all. So, and I'm just enjoying my time out here in the hot sun. Get some shade when I can, drink some brew. But yeah, so this is it right here. So this is me showing y'all how to hang the pork loin center roast. Like I tell you, I'm gonna hang whatever I can hang in the Bronco, and I'm gonna show it to y'all. Oh yeah. Hey, look at that Bronco smoke, man. Ain't that a beauty? Yeah, so right now it's sitting at 97. It's the white probe. So we're getting there, we're getting close. Like I said, I'm taking it to 140 and I'll remove it. And yeah, but I tell you, I'm loving this Thermo Pro right here, the temp spike. Man, it is awesome. But yeah, so sitting at 97. And like I said, I'm gonna take it off when it hits 140. The meat's at 100. The temp is close to 250, so I'm good with that. So let's just check it, see what it looks like. Yeah, it's coming along. It smells good. That rub, blends in with the meat. Yeah, but I do gotta say though, after this cook, I am gonna do a deep clean of it. I think it's about time. I've had it almost 5 years and haven't cleaned it once. So, and I know you're gonna say, why are you gonna do that? It adds flavor and all the other stuff that you say will go with it without, if you don't clean your pits. But now I think it's time for me to do it on this one. But so far, that's what we got. We're sitting at 136, so we're almost to 140. And that's sitting just above 250. And like I always mention, these temp gauges, a lot of people don't like them, and I do understand that they're not going to get the correct temperature. So I really don't use this whenever I'm cooking on the cooking grate to that. But whenever I do hang my meat, I always use that, and I have not once had any issues with using it. So when you get the Bronco, do your cooks and, do your own thing on that, and to see if you determine if you think this works well or not. But yeah, but just wanted to bring you a little update because we are getting close. We're at 136. That 115, the black probe, is in the garage right now, so that's the tip in the garage. Luckily I have a fan in there right now. But yeah, but we're getting there. Well, so it hit 140, so I'm gonna take it off, and I have 142, so I'm gonna take it off, let it rest, and I slice into it. So that's what it looks like. Looks pretty good to me. That's the charcoal right there. Cowboy brand charcoal briquettes. They look pretty good as well. And there's the probe right there. I'll try to get it right in the middle. Yeah, what do you think? Look good or what? And here at this point, if you want, y'all could put it on the cooking grate, and if you want to put some Texas pepper jelly on it. We got barbecue sauce, but yeah, I'm gonna eat it just like that. But yeah, I'm gonna take it off and then let it rest. Man, doesn't that look nice, right? Man, look at that. So it can't be dry, right? Can't be dry. Let's hit it from the middle. Oh, yeah. You can tell that. Yeah, that is nice. That is nice. Look at that. Yeah. Just dripping wet. Oh man. Got a little. Yeah. That's nice. I let it rest for about 20 minutes. It's still hot in the middle. Oh man. All right. Let's bite into it. Now, this was awesome. Simple cook, easy, fast cook. An hour and a half, and that was it. Hit 140, then it did go up to 42 whenever I was showing you. But other than that, I mean, it's just dripping wet. I mean, that Bronco, get you a Bronco. Oh, man. Oh my. Oh man. If you were here, you'd be loving this. Oh man. I'm telling you, if you got the Bronco, hang your meat. I understand that you want to lay it on the cooking grate, but hang your meat. And you're gonna get results like this. I'm telling you. Can't beat that. That's what it's for. Just go out and do that. Hang your meat. And if you ain't got a Bronco, you see this, go out and get yourself a Bronco. So you cook delicious food like this. Oh man. I got me some hamburger buns. I'm gonna toast them up. I'm gonna make me a sandwich. And the rest of it, I'm gonna save it for tomorrow. Man, but that was it. Nothing to it. These pork loin, center point cut loins. There's nothing to them. They're gonna cook fast. You want to get them to 140. Some even go 135 and then take them off. But I took it to 140, and you saw. I got to this. So, go out, get your meat, hang it like this, and you're all set. Sit back, listen to your favorite music, drink your favorite beverage, and just enjoy your time. This is all about just you out here with your pit, just enjoying life. Looking at here, look at all the clouds, everything. This is life. So, well, with that, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Smoke on, everyone. Get yourself out and smoke.